A walk around Cagayan de Oro City in Misamis Oriental. One of the most prominent structures of Cagayan de Oro City is St. Augustine Metropolitan Cathedral. It is dedicated to the patron saint of the city, St. Augustine. The cathedral has been an important part of the history of the city since its foundation. This neo-Gothic structure has seen decades of struggles and progress in Cagayan de Oro. A historical site near the cathedral and one of the famous landmarks in the city is Gaston Park, named after Segundo Gaston, a pre-war municipal mayor of Cagayan de Oro. Not too far is Vicente de Lara Park, one of the oldest parks in Cagayan de Oro. It has good jogging paths, tree-lined streets, clean, and a good place to relax. And across from it is the Misamis Oriental provincial capital.